Hey, how are ya? One of my most favorite designs of engines from the Railway series is Neil, the box tank engine, and his brothers. Their simple designs are absolutely adorable, and I knew I wanted one for my own series, NVR Tales. I named this character Abe. The problem was no one had ever made a box tank in HO or OO scale, so I knew I'd have to do it myself. My original model was made out of plastic, and I gave it very little thought to the chassis or really any notable details. I wanted to make sure that all my details were worked out beforehand. To start, I pulled up a picture of the Crovan's Gate Works version of the box tank engines and modeled what I saw in a beginner's design system called Tinkercad. I tweaked the design where I saw fit until I had a model I was proud of. I added a bunker for coal, as that had always bothered me, and pistons for more realism. I did not design the chassis, however, because I knew the measurements would have to be absolutely exact, and I was not confident I'd be able to do it. I was very proud of the 3D printed model that I had made and sanded it down and filed back some of the edges. The painting process was wicked simple. I first painted the whole model purple. I chose purple because I like to think that the old standard livery for the NVR was purple, and Abe was a relic from that time, so I thought it would fit for him to still be purple. With the purple done, I painted the buffer beams red and the small details black. I also stuck a crew in his cab, if you can call it a cab anyway. The letters were just white paint on the sides, and like all NVR engines, the number was a sticker. The chassis was the most difficult part. I started off by taking a Lego and cutting it and drilling holes for the wheels. I painted it black and stuck it in the back for the back set of wheels. The next section was the front, which I took a plastic box and cut it down and drilled a hole. I had to shape it right to fit around the rounded parts of the bottom of the boiler. I was all happy with it until I realized it was crooked, so I had to build a base and stuck it underneath the back Lego part. The last part I did was I took a number of plastic toothpicks and cut them down to size, painted them black, and stuck them in between the two blocks and really anywhere I saw fit. And that was it. The model was complete. It still needs a face, but that's a different story. This is my best scratch-built engine by far, and I love this little guy. He's not perfect, but he's better than my other 3D printed abominations. But maybe that's a video for another day.